students, welcome back to Sharda Maths channel. In this video, I am posting the Maths 1A half-yearly examination model paper, Board of Intermediate Education Andhra Pradesh. Okay, let us see the paper. So, Board of Intermediate Education Andhra Pradesh, half-yearly examinations 2021, Junior Intermediate Mathematics 1A model paper. Okay, section A. So, in the section A, we have the 10 questions. Each one carries the 2 marks. We have to attempt all the questions. 10 to the 20 marks. Very short answer type questions. Answer all questions. Each one carries 2 marks. So the first question. If A is equals to minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and f a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then find b. Now the second question. Let f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to 2 power x. Then solve the equation f circle g of x is equal to g circle f of x. But actually this is the deleted topic question here. This question came from the deleted topic here. Okay, so leave this one. Now the third question. Find the domain of the real valued function f of x is equal to log of x square minus 4x plus 3. Now the fourth question. If a is equal to 1 2 3 4 and b is equal to 3 8 7 2 and 2x plus a is equal to b, then find x. Now the next question. If a is equal to minus 1 2 3 2 5 6 3 x 7 is a symmetric matrix, then find the value of the x. Now the next question. If a is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that a into a dash is equals to a dash into a is equal to I. Okay. Now the next one, seventh question, find the value of the tan of 480. Now the next one, find the period of the function cos 4x plus 9 by 5. And the next question, if sin hx is equal to 3, then show that x is equal to log of 3 plus root 10 to the base e. And the last 2 marks question, prove that cos h power 4x minus sin h power 4x is equal to cos h 2x. Okay. So these are the 2 marks questions. Now let us see the 4 marks questions. Section B, short answer type questions. Answer any 5 questions. Each one carries the 4 marks here. 5 4s are 20. Okay. So the 11th question, if I is equal to 1001 and E is equal to 0100, then show that AI plus BE whole cube is equals to A cube into I plus 3A square B into E, where I is the unit matrix of order 2. Okay. Now the 12th question, if 3 into A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 1, then show that A inverse is equal to A dash. Now the 13th question, show that A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2 is non-singular and find A inverse. See the 14th question, prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equals to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. Next 15th question, if tan 20 is equal to P, then prove that tan 610 plus tan 700 by tan 560 minus tan 470 is equals to 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. And 16th question, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equals to 2. And second one, cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is equals to 2. 17th question, evaluate sin square 82½ minus sin square 22½. Okay, these are all the 4 marks questions. Now let us see the long answers questions. Each one carries the 7 marks here. 5 7s are 35. We have to attempt only 5 questions. So section C, long answer type questions. Answer any 5 questions. Each one carries the 7 marks. Okay, let us see the questions. First one, sum number 18. If f is equal to 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma minus 4 and g is equal to 4 comma minus 4, 6 comma 5, 8 comma 5, then find f plus g, f minus g, 2f plus 4g, f plus 4, f into g, f by g and mod f. Okay. And this is the most important question from the topic functions. And this is also the very important question, sum number 19. If f and g are the real valued functions defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x square, then find 3f minus 2g of x. Second one, fg of x. Next one, root f by g of x. And last one, f plus g plus 2 of x. Next one, solve the following simultaneous linear equations by using the Cramer's rule. The equations are 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equals to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z is equals to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z is equals to 20. Next one. Solve the equations x plus y plus z is equals to 9. 2x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 52. 2x plus y minus z is equals to 0 by using the matrix inversion method. Now the next question, if ABC are the angles in a triangle, then prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 into sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Next one, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then prove that cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A sin B sin C. Next one, if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then prove that cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equals to 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Okay, so this is the Maths 1A model paper. So all of you once check this paper and prepare all the questions properly. Okay.